Alright, it's the first video of the year. I'm gonna talk to you about my 2018 Ford Taurus Interceptor. It's all black. Well, except for the trim around the windows, but all black. Walking around. Has an antenna on top. Has another antenna they took out. Let's get this. Pretty nice car. I got it for $19,750. We go inside, take a look at it. Like all police cars, they have this basic stereo system. The dealership I bought it from actually put this center console in. It's kind of saved me the trouble, but contrary to popular belief, I am going to remove this and put in not one of the industrial ones, but it's going to be something I make, but it's going to look like that. So, but I'm not going to do that yet. But I am going to do, first thing I'm going to do the auto lights, because I have the sensor here to do that. So I'm going to replace this with the auto lights. Then next, I'm going to probably tackle the radio. I like the speedo here, so I'm just going to leave this one alone. I gotta get my door handle fixed because it thinks it's open all the time. I'll show you that.
They weren't going to rest, and boy, they did not.
No,
31-3 over Houston.
Yeah, that's a team that.
Turn that off. Engine on. Door ajar, but it's not. I want to get toasty in here real quick, so I'm gonna turn that up. Turn that down. I have a remote for this, so it does work. Probably won't work in here. Alright, well, I'll just do it this way. So far, I just put my phone carrier here. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put mount my GoPro. Probably gonna mount it here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, because this thing here, like what this cubby hole, like I don't see why that's useful. Like the storage is nice, but you know, like it's done in a way that's not useful. Like I got that cable in there just because, but you know, it's nothing retaining. It can't retain anything. It just kind of there. This is a cup holder I made for my Ford Focus. It holds marker, 2 pins, and my change. Yep. So that goes in the cup holder here. This doesn't work as well in the Taurus because it's kind of moves around. Front, back, side to side. My notepad, right in the rain. Move my GoPro. Another cup holder slash, I guess, phone stand or something like that. I don't know. And this is, I was poking around. I'm gonna change my LED lights. Change the lights for LEDs. What else I'm gonna do? Oh, this doesn't even fit. I don't know what that little slot there is for. Anyway. Now I was thinking about changing the back seats for the fold down ones, but there's a rear brace in the back that I would like to keep, and I know that you have to. Some people have to take that. You might have to take that out in order to put those in. But I might see if I can find a way to put them in and leave the back brace on. It's not super important because, like, when you have a let down seats in the back, there's like I won't say narrow, but like the opening from the trunk to the inside of the car is centered in the middle. So if you put anything long in, it's centered straight in the middle. So I had a Ford Focus where the opening was pretty much from the left to the right, pretty much open. There's like a little room on the side to side, but you know, it was pretty much the full width of, almost the full width of the back seat. So that part I liked. But this one is kind of like, it's more in center. So I don't know, I might just leave those in for right now. Well, I will, and then figure that out later. Dash cam, obviously. These, okay, yeah, I gotta fix this door handle. So first things, door handle, get that fixed. Auto lights. Then radio. Then figure out what I want to do with that cluster thing over there. I have a 3D printer, so 3D printer can do a lot of stuff. 3D printer, go burr. The hell is this person doing? What are they doing? Huh. Anyway. Oh, I might change the visor out for the one that has the garage door opener buttons in it. Maybe. And that is pretty much about it. I gotta see if there's any way I could get this distance to E up further. Because my Ford Focus, I had 399 miles to E when it's full. This one, I have half that. So, yeah. Overall, I like the car. It's pretty big, nice and spacious. And, yeah. I definitely gotta get this door handle fixed because this light's gonna be on nerves. Yeah, what I do like is this. This is bright. That's nice. Alright, it's Andrew signing off. I'll talk to you guys later.